people would look at my choir program from a distance and say it's very traditional, right? Because we stand on risers and we sing stuff in harmony, and we have piano accompaniment, and we pretty much always sing choral repertoire. But that kid loved choir because I taught him how to connect his love of music he brought in to the choral art form, which I do believe is really for everybody. And if they think it's not for them, they just haven't been taught yet how it's for them. And then we also were able to think about ways to let his talents shine. We do variety shows and pop shows and stuff like that in addition to the more classical stuff. So I think this really comes down to a balance question. It's back to that balance idea. How do we do choir in a way that makes the kid who doesn't think choir is for them? How do we sell that kid on the idea that no, this, you are really welcome here. We do this choir thing, and I know you've never done that before, but I'm going to teach you how to do that. And also, your SoundCloud rapping is really cool. Thoughts about that?
Yeah, you're exactly right. I mean, it's a balance question. It's even not even like nationwide teacher to teacher, even like class to class.
Oh,
Things,
yeah.
the balance is going to be completely different with this section of chorus rather than this section of chorus. I think it's the same answer. Just being open to things like that and understanding that how we were like 99% of us were taught. I don't want to speak for the general public, but how 99% of us were taught in our undergrad degrees, and even like some of our graduate degrees, it was this one way that doesn't include student creativity, that like primal human aspect. It's all copy and paste.
Yeah.